Now let's make a fresh flower arrangement. I'm doing this arrangement with fresh roses and dry flowers. Now I'll once again introduce you all the materials which are needed for this fresh flower arrangement. This one is bouquet holder. Inside its oasis. You will get it from shop. I have soak this bouquet holder in water for few minutes so that it will absorb water so that the fresh flowers remain fresh for long time. Next thing is green tape, which is needed for masking purposes in flower arrangement. Then today I am taking two color roses, one white rose and pink Dutch roses. I have bought two bunches of roses here. Then another flower, this one is gypsophilia. It's also used in flower arrangements. Then these are dry flowers which are colored. You may take the dry flowers like this and you can dip it in golden powder so that you can use it for your decoration purposes. These ferns also, this pips also you will get from shop. The next thing, satin ribbon. These are the main things which we need for our flower making, our bouquet making. So the next step is arranging the flowers. I have kept 4 pink flowers ready here. These 4 flowers and arranging it like this. One in the right side, next one in the opposite side, then down, one on the top, like this. Now you will get like this, 4 sides a pink rose. The same you have to do with the white also. Like this. So you will get like this. This forms the base of your bouquet. You must check it should be in the correct length. All the flowers should be of the same length. Otherwise it will not come in that round shape. The next step is, above the pink flower you have to keep one white flower. That also you have to insert like this. Then the next is, on top of this white I am keeping the pink one. The next one, on the top of pink, one more white. Then here one more pink, here one white, take another pink one and insert it like this, then the white. So you will get like this. So second line is also completed now. Then the middle portion we have to arrange now. For that I am keeping one pink in the center and see whether it is in the round shape. It's almost round. Then if you need some fillings here, you may fill it with other color, the same color roses like this. You can fill with the small roses. Take the small roses and fill like this. So you will get like this. In some places, if filling is needed, you can add like this and make it round. You will get like this, a round shape. You may go on adding some more roses like this to make it more round. So now we got a round bouquet. Next is we have to add our fillings, the gypsophilia, the golden fillings, all these things you have to insert inside it now. So now I am going to keep some gypsophilias inside. This way you can keep this. Now it is almost round. I am just keeping it on a flower vase, inside a flower vase, just to see whether it is round in shape. Just we have to see all the sides like this. It's almost round. Next we have to add the fillings to it. Look here, in some places you can see some gap. There you have to keep this gypsophilia and fill it. By adding this flower, it adds to the beauty of your bouquet. The next is the golden. We have to cover it with green tape. Like this, you have to wrap it so that it will not come out. Then the next is you have to insert those fillers into the bouquet like this. Be careful with the flowers. Don't touch the flowers too much. If we touch it many times, it will get dried soon. So please be careful with the flowers. Don't touch it too much. Don't disturb the flowers. Without disturbing, you can add on the fillers like this. It's very easy. Now see, look around, and if there is anything to be filled, you can add on the golden decorative like this. Then keeping inside this. After that, if you want some ribbon for the decoration, you may take 4 layers of ribbon like this. The tip of the ribbon you have to cut. You can hold the 2 layers like this, fold it into half, then cut like this. You will get the edge like this now. So you can add this ribbon to the down portion of your arrangement and carefully take it from the pot, and your arrangement is completed. So some more tips I will tell you. For this arrangement, you have to soak the oasis in water for some time so that your flowers remain fresh. And after doing this, you may spray some water, make it fresh for longer. Then next is look around and see if there is anything to be filled. You may add on some more flowers. If you want leaves, you can add that also to your arrangement. I hope you like this. See you next time with another activity. Bye bye.